Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po to for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, unfortunately. Kasi, hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. So, kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And, kung gusto mo, meron akong available na personal reading. Pero, doon sa TikTok shop ko yun. Naka-promo siya. So, yeah. Personal or astrological reading, bahala ka nang mamili kung anong gusto mo. Wait lang guys. So, kinukuha ko lang yung card na gagamitin ko sa'yo. Meron na ako naka-prepare. Pero kasi, hindi ito yung nararamdaman ko na dapat kong gamitin. So, kukunin ko yung nafe-feel kong gamitin para sa'yo. So, again, this is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's start your reading. Sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba ha. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin eh. Nagpapakita yun ng suporta, pagmamahal. Tsaka ginaganahan ako mag-reading pag may mga nakikita po akong comment ninyo. So, start na po natin. Isang shuffle na lang for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, guys. Okay, thank you Spirit guys, angel guides. What do we have here for water sign? Kunin natin main energy mo. 12 swords. And the 9 of pentacles. The world. Yan. Some of you pwedeng may mga offer sa'yo. But, maybe it has something to do with money. Tapos, kailangan mong magdesisyon regarding dito sa bagay na to with the 2 of swords. And the 9 of pentacles, I feel like, nakikita mo yung sarili mo na pwedeng mag-glow or mag-boom dito, you know. Parang, itong offer na to, parang hard to resist. Parang ang hirap tanggihan. Or, might be, feeling mo okay naman and you see yourself na oo talaga dito sa offer na to. And with the world, maybe it has something to do with a foreign kind of offer. Yan yung, pero okay lang kahit hindi. Pero yung iba, pwede nga sa malayo or, malayo or pwedeng to the point na nasa ibang bansa pa nga pa siya. But anyway, okay lang naman kahit hindi. But I don't know why some of you, gusto mo to the start. This is you wanting to accept the offer with the Page of Cups kasi maganda naman talaga. The problem is pwedeng yung mga tao sa paligid mo, you cannot accept the offer because of them. Like maybe sila yung ayaw mo pakinggan actually, pero sila yung mas majority na nasusunod. The 8 of Swords, like parang wala kang kakayahan na i-accept itong offer na to, but you wanted to. Parang ganon. Or kung hindi man wala kang kakayahan, pwedeng hindi mo ma-actionan, no? Maybe you are currently stuck or in a situation na parang hindi ka makagalaw, hindi mo alam kung ano gagawain mo. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na gusto mo. Okay? And yung iba, you've been waiting for this. No? Pwedeng hinintay mo pa nga. Pwede rin namang hindi. But anyway, I don't know why. Pero ang nakikita natin mas nasusunod or maraming nasasabi is yung nasa paligid mo. Na sila yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi ka makapag-desisyon, hindi ka maka-action regarding sa bagay na to. Anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love? This is love reading, so. Anyway, mamaya, maybe kukuha tayo ng advice regarding this offer, regarding this situation mo, regarding do sa offer. Itatry natin kasi at the end of the video na lang. Okay, mag-concentrate muna tayo sa love because this is love reading, water sign. person nakakonect ni water sign, please, for guys, angel guides. You do have the Lovers and the Hierophant. I don't know if you are in a relationship dito sa taong to, but with the Lovers, there's a beautiful connection sa inyong dalawa. May magandang connection, okay? Whether magkarelasyon kayo or hindi, may magandang connection. The Hierophant, this is a person who would teach you a lot of things pagdating sa buhay. Like, masarap siyang kapartner kasi pag pinartner mo siya, marami kang matututunan, marami kang ma-share din naman sa kanya. And it's like you, may continuous na growth sa inyong dalawa. This person ay nagpapakita ng clarity sa'yo. So, pwedeng may mga nasasabi siya sa'yo or nababanggit siya sa'yo o na mas clear para sa'yo, no? Hindi siya yung tipo ng tao na magpapaka-wishy-washy, na hindi niya alam kung anong gusto niya, hindi niya alam kung anong plano niya, etc. This one is specific and direct kung magsalita. And I feel like nagkakaroon ka ng clarity regarding dito sa bagay na to. And might be itong person na to is nagiging direct and nagiging open din naman siya regarding sa kanyang mga plano and sa kanyang mga new beginnings. This person, I don't know, I just heard the word death. So, could be dealing with a Scorpio because, you know, Scorpio is a death card sa tarot. And, yeah, it could be dealing with a Scorpio. Gemini is also here. And, especially na yung ating mga planets ngayon, mostly actually, most of the planets, like, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, mga 3 or 4 na planets ang papunta sa Gemini or nasa Gemini na ngayong iba ngayon sa astrology. But anyway, and Gemini is like yung zodiac siya ng twin. So, might be napakaganda ng partnership sa inyo ng taong ito. Nakakonect mo. Okay, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, of course, wag mong pilitin. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of water sign. Also, check your natal chart. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here the Page of Wands. Ten of Cups. Okay. King of Wands. Nine of Cups. Knight of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. Actually, this is a very beautiful card na nakikita natin with the Ten of Cups, Nine of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. Kasi, kung titignan mo, lalo na ang placement niya is 8, 9, 10. So, it's like growth. No? Yung number niya is ascending. 8, 9, 10. So, ascending number yon, papunta sa growth. And actually, ang pinaka-last number dito sa numerology is like number 10. So, that's like an ending card. So, nakikita natin kung paano ka full or whole ang connection or ang emotion na nararamdaman ninyo para sa isa't isa. Okay? And this person wants with the Knight of Swords ng parang growth and at the same time continuous love. And parang gusto niyang like action regarding dito sa connection na ito. So, pwedeng nagiging open naman talaga yung person mo pagdating sa emotions niya. The Page of Wands, pwedeng ikaw din. I can see communication sa inyong dalawa. Pero kung hindi, the King of Wands is telling you na it's the right time for you na maging open sa kanya. I don't know what's the problem here with the Nine of Swords. Nakakita tayo ng problema. With the Six of Wands, pwedeng of course you are both together or parang nandyan para sa isa't isa. But I can see that something here is pwedeng itinatago or, so yung iba pwedeng, sabi ko nga po, kung hindi nagiging open, might be may kinalaman din yun sa, the only problem na nakikita ko dito is sa side mo. May mga tao kasi tayo nakikita sa'yo na parang sila yung mas iniisip mo. Okay? To the point na sila pa yung nagdidikta para sa'yo. Diba? But this connection is like beautiful. Emotions are nakaka-overwhelm pa nga at saka sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam ng mga emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. The problem is yung sa mga tao sa paligid mo who is more focused on might be material things or kung ano yung nasa mga nasa harapan ninyo or nasa harapan nitong taon to. I don't know, but anyway, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. Page of Pentacles. The Empress. Okay. And this would like to come out. The High Priestess. Ayan, dalawang major arcana na itong lumabas sa side mo. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. So, you do have here the Four of Swords and the Knight of Wands. Isang card pa. The Queen of Pentacles. And then, okay, in the future, mamaya na pala yung, mamaya ko na kunin yung card para dun sa advice or dun sa, regarding sa situation mo about mga tao nagdidikta sa'yo. But anyway, in the future, I can see with the Page of Pentacles, may something na pwedeng pag-isipan ka na gagawain regarding with your money. And, I feel like with the Empress, I can see, beautiful, or healthy way of living in the near future. Nakikita natin na magiging mas maganda ka, mas magiging productive. With the High Priestess, some of you, not only physically yung makikita yung improvements mo, but also spiritually. So, yung iba may mga improvements pagdating sa usaping spiritual. With the Four of Swords, nakikita natin, there's some kind of attack here, no? Na pwedeng hindi aware yung person na ito nakakonect mo in the future. But with the Knight of Wands, I feel like someone is going to save this person. May magliligtas sa kanya sa kapahamakan, or maybe someone is going to save this person pagdating sa kung ano man yung problem na dapat ay dadating sa buhay niya, parang ganun. And that is showing as the Knight of Wands, which is the Knight in Shining Armor. And so kung ano man yung magiging problema nitong person na to or problema niya na ngayon, I feel like hindi niya kailangan mag-worry kasi it's like the universe is going to save this person from that. And with the Queen of Pentacles, nakikita natin yung stability and magandang flow of money pagdating sa side ng person mo. And I feel like makikita mo rin yan makikita mo rin yan. And some of you, yung Knight of Wands is you. Pwedeng ikaw yon. Pwedeng may problem na pwedeng makatulong or ikaw yung makasagip sa person na ito. But anyway, some of you hindi ikaw yon. Okay? So, ano lang to, generally speaking lang tayo. And kukunin ko na yung advice para dun sa iba regarding sa mga plano or decision na kailangan mo gawin. But there's a person or people around you na parang sila nagdidikta sa'yo. What is the advice regarding this? You do have the Nine of Wands and the Five of Wands. And I would like to get the outcome. The Judgment is here and the Page of Cups. Kung maalala mo yung Page of Cups, lumabas na talaga siya kanina at the bottom of the deck. It's like something na parang gusto mo talaga. With the Judgment, if you are like gising ka na or alam mo na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin, I feel like there are things na kailangan mong i-end with the Ten of Swords, or, you know, may mga bagay ka sa sarili mo na dapat, alam mo na kung ano dapat mong gagawin regarding dito. Of course, magkakaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, but with the Nine of Wands, you are safe. No? Parang, itong changes na to or pag-aaway na to, maybe kailangan lang talaga dapat mangyari ito in order for this ending na mangyari. No? Kasi, ano no, it feels like, whether gawin mo or hindi itong bagay na ito, magkakaroon at magkakaroon pa rin naman ng pagkakagulo, pag-aaway. So, hanggang kailan? Parang gano'n. Magkakaroon ng routine na parang lagi na lang gano'n, magkakaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo. So, kumbaga wag mo nang pilitin yung mga tao or mga bagay or sitwasyon na ayaw. 'Di ba? You are free to live. The way I see this is that hindi mo pwedeng ipilit sa kanila yung mga bagay na nasa isip mo, yung thoughts mo or whatever, because you know better. Ikaw yung mas nakakaintindi and ikaw yung mas nakakaalam ng kung ano dapat gawin. So if you really do like this, I highly suggest that you accept this offer, lalo na with the Six of Pentacles, kasi nakita tayo ng balance energy dito with the Five of Swords, at saka malapit ka nang makawala sa bagay na parang nagpapahirap sa'yo, but you don't know na itong bagay na to ay nagpapahirap sa'yo because parang nasanay ka na. So, yeah. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.